Welcome to the Maths board. Today we will solving the question C from the 2026 Living Certificate Higher Level Maths Paper 1. So let's begin. So they give us the question 2x squared plus 4x minus 6, and they say to us is a factor of 8x cubed plus 6x squared minus 44x plus 30. So I go to put the given here, plus 4x minus 6. So it's a factor of 8x cubed plus 6x squared minus 4x plus 30. Okay, so understanding the idea before we start, so let's think about a simple example here. If I tell you 6 is a factor of 30, so we have to find the missing factor. So we have to divide 30 divided by 6. So we go to find 5. Therefore, 30 is equal to 6 multiplied by 5. So we are going to do the exactly same thing here, except because we go to work with algebraic expression instead of only numbers. So since here two x squared plus 4x minus 6 is a factor, so there must be another factor, multiply it to give the cubic expression for us. So let's compare the first term. So we have to think about which number we go to multiply to find 8x cubed. So each number we multiply. If we multiply 2 multiplied by 4, we go to find 8. So we can see if we divide 8x cubed divide by 2x squared. So we go to find here 4x. So we divide here, so we find our first term here. So the missing factor for the first term is 4x. So now we compare the last terms, because we have this term here. So now we have to find this last term minus 30. Sorry, plus 30. So what multiply by minus 6 here go give us 30. So if we divide, the same idea I explained in the beginning for you, so if we divide 30 divide by minus 6, we go to find minus 5. So the constant term we find minus 5. Therefore the missing factor, we take the 4x minus 5. So that is the missing factor. So now we can rewrite the equation as 2x squared plus 4x minus 6. We put in brackets here, and we put what we found here, 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. So now we have to first solving the quadratic factor first. So how we go to do that? So we go to copy again 2x squared plus 4x minus 6. We go to put this equal to 0. So now we can see all the numbers here divided by 2 in the both sides. If we divide here by 2, we can divide here by 2, we can divide here by 2, we divide here by 2. So which expression we go to have? X cubed, because here will be 1, plus 4 divided by 2 will be 2x, don't forget the x, minus 30 is equal to 0. So now we have to factorize again, so we need two numbers that multiply by minus 3. So I have to multiply my minus 3 and add 2. If we see here 3 and minus 1, if you think 3 multiply by minus 1, we go to get minus 3. Sorry, my pen here. So if you take 3 plus minus 1, we go to find 2. So we go to add, in the middle term, we go to find the 2, and here we multiply, and we find minus 3. So we find the two factors. So, therefore, x plus 3 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. So what do we go to do here? We go to put equal to 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0. So x go to be minus 3. Okay, so we'll find our first term. And here, x minus 1, we put equal to 0. So x is equal to 1. So we find the two terms of the quadratic. So because it's quadratic, we always have two solutions, but here it's cubic. So we need 3 solutions, so we need to find one more. So how we go to do that? I go to raise here. So we find another factor. Remember, we find 4x minus 5. So we go to put this 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. So we add 5 to both sides. So we go to find 4x is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 over 4. So that's our third term. So in your paper, they put in the end of the paper x, x, and x in the end. For you, don't forget you have 3 solutions. So our solutions, the final answer will be minus 3, 1, and 5 over 4. So that is our final solution. So thank you for watching Maths Board. Bye bye.